mask.
Thank you so much. Covered up beautifully, really. We need to congratulate you the way you spoke. You brought into India to linger too much. Once again, I want to thank Mr. Michael Lobo, our dear friends who have donated this item for PPE for all our doctors and staff, and all of you dear Panchayat members and all of you my dear friends whom I know. Thank you very much for your gesture of love and your concern towards each one of us as Bozio Hospital. It's true that though Bozio Hospital was closed, but not fully. Doctors were not there, but we were the doctors all these days. And we have helped people in whichever way we could. We have treated them in a way, but never sent back anybody because we couldn't do anything. So, as you said, God is always there. Whenever we want to do something good, God is at our side.
Residency to all the clinics, to all the small hospitals. Then we are going to go to Mapsa, and Dr. Shetty needs them because he is taking care of entire Bardez and North Goa. All the patients come to that hospital. We are also thinking of giving it to Galaxy Hospital. We are also thinking of giving it to RG Hospital. With the help of Deltin Group and FC Goa, I think whatever kits they have brought from Mumbai will be given to all these small hospitals, clinics, and some doctors also, because they require it for their nurses who are attending. First who come inside in the clinic, in the casualty, the patient meets the doctor and the nurse, and it is very important that they have the full dress on their body so that nothing is transmitted from one person to the other. So doctor has advised us what has to be done, and I think we need to take the proper advice of doctor and register it in our head and see that we do not transmit it to one another. A lot of things are being circulated on WhatsApp groups. I request the people don't go as per what is being said by people. Go as per what is being spoken by the doctors. Doctors from different big hospitals in India, internationally, listen only to their advice. Don't listen to the advice of some extra smart people giving on WhatsApp.
हांव डॉक्टर चंद्रकांत शेट्टी, ओनर ऑफ विजन हॉस्पिटल. आज हांव तुमकां सगळ्या लोकांक सांगूंक शकता की बाब आमचो मायकल मिनिस्टर आनी अक्षय एफसी गोवाचे प्लस डेल्टीन हांच्यानी आमकां आज पर्सनल प्रोटेक्टीव इक्विपमेंट दिले, मास्क प्लस द गावन दिल्यात. आज हांची खूब गरज आसा, कित्याक आमकां जेन्ना आमच्या ओपीडीन पेशंट येता आमकां कळना की पेशंटाक खंयचो सस्पेक्ट आसा, खंयचो करियर आसा. आणि ह्या काळात जर आमकां जर एसेन्शियल ट्रिटमेंट दिता जाल्यार आमचे सिस्टर्स दितात, आमचे डॉक्टर्स दितात. सो हांकां जे ह्या तेंच्यानी किती हे दिल्यात हांचो आज खूब गरज आसतली. मेन कशें आसा, हे जरी पयशे आसले केन्ना केन्ना मार्केटान मेळना. हे आज ह्या परिस्थितीत तेंच्यांनी आमकां हेल्प केला, ताच्या मुळे हांव तांचो खरेंच थँक्यू म्हणटा. आणि आमी डे वनाच्यान आमची सर्वीस चालू आसा. आमी 24/7 सर्वीस दिता, केन्ना बंद करूंक ना. फक्त आमचे रुटीन ओपीडी सुरू जावना, डे आतां वचूना, पण इमर्जन्सी आमचे सगळे सर्विसीस चालू आसा. दुसरें सांगपाचें म्हणजे मायकल सर आमकां सदांच ऑलवेज सपोर्टीव आसा. नॉट ओन्ली टू म्हणजे आमकां सगळ्याच हॉस्पिटलाक सपोर्टीव आसा, इवन टू द पेशंट तो सपोर्टीव आसा. ताच्या खातीर आमी खरेंच ताचें थँक्यू म्हणटा. आमी हे तांच्यांनी जो आमकां तो हेल्प करता, केन्ना आमी ताका सांगूंक ना आमकां हेल्प जाय. तो सदांच समजता लोकांचे नीड, लोकांचे जशें नीड समजता आपले कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी, तो कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी प्रमाणे रावना. आमी एक्चुअली बार्देसा पडटा तरी तो ताका सगळ्यात आपले अशें दिसता आनी तो आमकां हेल्प करता. थँक्यू सर.
Like sort of helping us identify like the smaller hospitals and the smaller clinics that also require the help and require these kits at like at such a time. We are just simply doing our civic duty, and from FC Goa and from the Delton Group, we are simply identifying like a few more of these like small clinics and hospitals like that require these kits that are usually not able to get it like these things at this time. So yeah, and like thank you to the doctors for taking care of us at such a important time. Like their contribution cannot be sort of valued, is priceless at this time. So, like, thank you, sir, and thank you, doctors.